back today. We're gonna make a
paper airplane.
Paper airplane. We gotta start. Come on, Johan. Okay, we gotta make it easy. We're ready to build that. So this is our
paper airplane.
Okay, we're gonna try it. Hold on. No.
Dad, what do you think if we can make a big paper airplane?
We can make a big airplane. You think this is not a really big airplane?
Nah, it's kind of small like for a baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about if we make this?
Ooh, whoa,
is our big airplane.
Yeah,
Paper is a paper plane. Look at it.
It looks huge like for adults.
Turn. Hold on. Airplane. Hold on. So we're gonna show our two airplanes. This is the little baby, and that's the big, huge paper plane. All right, let's try the first one, the little one. Let's see how it. Let's 1, 2, 3. Oops. We gotta try it again. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2. What about if we try the biggest one? Here you go. See, this one is a big paper. Hey, look how big it is. Let me show you. This is the little bicycle for a little girl. Gotta do it like this.
Okay.
So we gotta throw it. 1, 2, hold on. And 3. We're gonna try again. Hold on. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe, kids.
And look inside.
All right, let's go. Go! Oh no, it's gonna be wet. Oh, no, that's alright. We gotta try it again.
Let's go.
One more time. Oh. Okay. No. Oh, sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. This is
Comment down below which one flies the best.
Okay, the little one
Or the big one.
or the big one.
Okay.
All right, thanks
Kids,
for watching.
please, and parents, can try this at home. Comment down below and subscribe to Look Inside.
Wow.
Try it.